is in effect. Currently in our area, 97 degrees under sunny skies. Tonight, partly cloudy, chance of a thunderstorm. Low 78. Chance of rain 30%. Thursday, mainly clear. High 96. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, clear to partly cloudy. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 79. Here's our 7-day outlook.